As the UK's #1 brand in child safety, Lindam has redesigned and repositioned home safety accessories. XtraGuard are revolutionary new lines that take safety a step further, featuring a double layer of security, providing tamper resilience and double locking protection. Introducing the new XtraGuard dual locking drawer latch from Lindam. The XtraGuard dual locking drawer latch is a unique and versatile latch which can be turned on or off, helping make life a little easier for busy parents. To use the XtraGuard dual locking drawer latch with the single lock and for general everyday use, ensure the button is in the neutral position. To gain access to the drawer, simply pull the button back to release the latch. To turn the double lock on, turn the button anti-clockwise, ensuring the locked padlock is facing down towards the front of the drawer. You will be unable to pull the button forward and the latch will not release. To open, simply turn the button back to the horizontal neutral position and pull the button forward. The XtraGuard dual locking drawer latch can also be turned completely off, allowing full access for convenience when children aren't around. Simply turn the button clockwise, ensuring that the open padlock is facing down towards the front of the drawer. The latch is now disengaged and access is unrestricted. When the latch is set in this position, it is important to remember that the latch no longer provides any safety benefits. The XtraGuard dual locking drawer latch is quick and easy to fit. The latch must be fitted to allow an opening of no greater than 3.8 centimeters when the latch is engaged and the drawer is pulled out. This gap allows you to operate the latch effectively while keeping little ones safe. Before you begin, please refer to your instruction manual for complete instructions on correctly fitting this latch. Position the catch to the underside of the cabinet frame, 2.5 centimeters from the side and 4.5 centimeters from the front. Mount the catch with the screws provided, ensuring that the Lindam logo is towards the front of the cabinet. Hold the base of the latch to the cupboard drawer and align it centrally to the catch. Ensure the position allows the latch to pass through the catch. Mark the position of the screw holes and mount the latch using the screws provided. Your XtraGuard dual locking drawer latch is now ready to use. Visit www.lindam.com for a copy of the installation instructions and more home safety information.